Good afternoon, grads. Welcome to Finland Academy. So here we found the expiry is all expiry, near month, click on show. So here we have the all the expiries and add. Now first we apply these things on your silver chart. How this exactly work? So these MTrade Pro moderate indicator are generated the 4 lines. So we have the option of 4 lines along with the 4 bands. Like if on your screen there is a small icon. If I click on that icon, that 4 bands are plotted on your screen. That's very simple. On your screen, the option is given for A and M. M for EM Trade Pro moderate indicator. So this EM Trade Pro moderate indicator, you have to just click. Automatically 4 bands are appear on your screen. With the help of these 4 bands, we can easily predict the entry and exit. So now if you're looking for the 4 band, out of the 4 band, how you can create the trades. So they basically, it's measure the volatility of your price like silver M. Now maximum can go to the downside. The 4th band is your the lower side, 64,151. 3rd band is your entry price and the 4th band is your stop loss. Again, I repeat, you got the 4 band on your screen, the 1st band, 2nd band, 3rd and 4th band. So the first 2 bands and the last 2 bands. So start from first count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 3rd band is your entry price for you have to enter into the trade. That's a very simple indicator. And the 4th band is your stop loss for taking the long trade. When we consider about the short trade, if I want to put the short selling, so the second candle or the second bar, this band, second band and the first band. So if my price enter into the second band, so I can put the short sell on second band and my trailing stop loss is the first band. That's a very simple indicator. In future, if my price goes to the enter into the second band, so I can put the short sell and my stop loss is the first band. So Alan and Mr. Bhimrao, you already start trading or you just a fresher? Alan, Mr. Bhimrao, you already started trading? Not a fresher, fine. So you're already aware about the short sale and everything, right? You can put the short sale options on your contract. Before expiry, you can cover that position. So in the help of the silver M, we have the 4 band. First 2 bands is the resistance band and the last 2 bands is the support band. So I just remove this band, how it's exactly work. On your screen, just click on the small icon of EM Trade Pro moderate indicator. Appear your 4 bands. If you want to increase the thickness, just increase the thickness. And accordingly, whenever your price enter into the 3rd band, 1, 2, 3rd and 4th, the 3rd band is your entry price, 4th band is your stop loss. That much of simple this indicator. Now we apply this indicator on daily time frame. If you want to check the same setup under 15-minute time frame, you can use this 15-minute time frame setup also. So in this case, if you consider this overall trade, whenever your price lasts 4 candle before 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candle before this particular candle, just touch the 3rd band. So this is your entry price. This is your target 2nd band. So almost 202 point difference. If you put the short sell on the second bar, so the first band is your trailing stop loss. So accordingly, this indicator work. This indicator reflected on 2 way. You can use as this band, and if you don't like the band, we have the one more shortcut key. Just click on the Fibonacci ATR. They appear as 4 lines on your screen. Earlier, I used with that 4 line. The same way I can use this indicator like 4 lines on my screen. The 4 band and 4 lines both are the same one, not a different. Accordingly, your students' preference and your if you are understood the overall concept for the band or the line, accordingly you can choose this pattern. Both are the same. Now, if you consider this particular as line, 4 lines, the first 2 lines is act as your resistance, and the downside 2 lines is act as your support. When your price enter into the support level, we take the long trade. When your price enter into the resistance level, we put the short sell. So accordingly, I asked Alan and Mr. Bhimrao and Mahesh, current situation, current candle of your silver M just enter into the support level. So is that good point of time to enter into the trade of silver? Yes or no? Because they already enter into the support level. So Alan and Mahesh, can you please tell me your current chart of silver for long call? Now I just convert my time frame to the 15-minute time frame. And what is the USP of this indicator? If you just change the time frame, your levels not even change. So that's the beauty of this indicator, because what happened when we use the multiple indicators, moving averages, super trend, band Bollinger, any one of the indicator, whenever price come, your levels automatically change, your values automatically change. But as of now, if you are using the single indicator, that value is that's unique and static, that not change. That's why when your price enter into the support level or the third band, they start with the first band, second, third, and fourth band. So the third band is your entry price. So definitely, Alan, we go for the long option for silver M and take the trailing stop loss of your fourth band. So how it exactly calculated these 4 band? So I have to just explain you how these 4 bands come on your screen. What is the logic behind these 4 band or the 4 lines? Yeah, fine. We will check some more stocks also, some more script Mahesh. Now I want to check the gold. Fine. So I just check the gold M for February contract I got. I think yeah. So this is the contract for 5th of February. Just click on the icon of Fibonacci ATR or your 4 bands appear on your screen. So 48,860 is the support level. One more time for your gold M chart. So I just draw the support level. These 2 bands act as support and about 2 bands is act as your resistance. Under the support level, change the time frame. Now your price under the gold is traded under the support zone. When your price is traded under the support zone, take the stop loss of the 4th band. So 48,551 is your trailing stop loss, 400 point below, and you can enter into the trade if you want to take the aggressive trade. So 48,900 is the level for aggressive trading. One more grads join this session. Tiger, welcome. My voice is audible to you. Tiger, my voice is audible to you. Kindly reply with yes, no. Great. So we are just discuss about the stock silver M and just discuss about the gold M stock. So exactly we are discuss about how these four lines are come. These four lines is your Fibonacci numbers or the Fibonacci ATR level, same as you can use as the indicator. It's your choice only. Both are the equal. If you are comfortable with the indicator, so use as these four lines as a four band. Otherwise, if you are not comfortable with these four lines, you can use as these four bands. So basically 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the bands. If you don't like that bands, remove from the screen. Click the EM Trade Moderate Pro indicator. They appear as four bands on your screen. If you don't like the bands, just close this EM Trade Pro Moderate and simple click on the Fibonacci ATR. Both calculation are the same. So under this calculation, last two lines, the green and last two lines is act as your support line, and above two lines is act as your resistance line. So how these four lines come? Right click on your screen, go to the chart setting. Under the chart setting, you have the option Fibonacci ATR and you have to choose these four lines. Yes, Tiger, it's just like your the pivot levels. On WhatsApp group, I just share with you all our Fibonacci levels. Tiger, I hope you received that level on our WhatsApp group. Just apply the same things on your screen. So once you apply the same setup on your screen under 15-minute time frame for gold chart, so can you please tell me, is that good point of time to enter into the trade of gold? Yes or no? Alan? I think Mahesh also just joined this session. Mahesh? Mahesh, my voice is audible? No worries, Tiger. I just dropped the in WhatsApp group that Fibonacci ATR levels. So kindly draw that, do the chart setting option and do the certain levels. Just set show ATR level, show ATR value, and once you are modify this ATR level, then you have to just click on the screen. This is your blank chart for gold February month contract. Click on this icon, automatically the four lines appear. So make sure the last two lines is act as support and above two lines is act as your resistance. Earlier we checked the same levels for silver M. So here also we discussed under the silver, this bottom side two lines is act as your resistance level. Bottom two is act as your support. Downside two bands, two levels, and above two levels is act as your resistance. So exactly this indicator work, EM Trade Pro moderate indicator, to work out the finding out the measures the volatility of the market. So maximum silver can reach the 67,886 and the second level is 67,000. Maximum for the downside, your price can reach to 64,072. Same we can apply for the USD also, Tiger. But I think USD chart, your Fibonacci ATR still under development. I'm not even check last last EXE also I'm checking, but I don't found that Fibonacci ATR is plotted on your USD chart. Select a gold trading sideways and going down time to short. Tiger, if you just check the overall momentum for the gold for the 5th February contract, they are just enter into the level of your support level. So I suggest you all, once your support level break, so the last support is 48,623. If that 48,623 level break, then you can consider the confirmed downtrend. Otherwise, your price is enter into the support zone, Tiger. So this is not an ideal way to put the short sell. You have to wait for your level 48,690 break. Then only you can confirm that support break. It's become your new resistance. Right, Tiger? Because as per my understanding, Gold M is currently moving on the support level. The month of contract 5th February. How these all contract come? Fine. So I just remove all the contracts once more time. Right click on my market watch. Click on add. You have one window open. In this window, you first select the MCX. Select the derivatives. Select the future. Select the expiries all. Expiry type near month. Click on show. Select all, add. So they will give you all the expiries. I got one more chart for zinc. Under the zinc, if you click on that same level, Fibonacci ATR, so one more time, your price entered into the support zone and your resistance is this particular level. So 214 is the support level. Once your price is just break 216. So is that good point of time to enter into the trade? Alan, Mr. Moite, Mahesh, Tiger, can you please tell me? Because currently your price is traded around 215. If upcoming price zinc close about 216 on the month of 29th of Jan contract, so is that good point of time to enter into the trade? Yes, Mahesh, the on a chart, do we have to look the current expiry of we have to chart like Nifty history? Mahesh, basically these particular commodities option we only have the expiry wise chart, but that's a continuous chart because if you just check the daily time frame chart, this is already updated your the all future contract. So like Nifty spot price you analysis accordingly, you can use as a zinc also you have the previous data. Now if I just click on that level, whenever your price are move on to the resistance level, just break the resistance level around 220, your price start declining. Again your price move on to the support zone. So the support zone is around 216 and 214. Tiger, what the reading on 60 and 120 minute, if you just check the same chart for 60-minute time frame for your zinc same level, this is very unique USP, Tiger. Your value is not changed, value is keep remain same, that's a static, because if you use the daily time frame and if you check the levels, the same level 222.56 and 220 for the resistance level, accordingly you have the downside to level 216 and 214. The same way you can just change the time frame from 60-minute time frame or 120-minute time frame. Here also you can got the same levels. Your 120-minute chart, this is your Fibonacci levels, you got the same levels. Is that fine, Tiger? Because like other indicators, your moving averages, your super trend or your stuff like RSI, whether price coming, your values keep remain change. So price has possibility to move upward. Yes, I got. So accordingly, these AM Trade Pro moderate indicator, it's very unique indicator which your values not change. That skip remains same. Now we will check the natural gas. Under the natural gas, I just want to click the Fibonacci ATRs. All the four bands appear on my screen. My price is traded in between your ATR levels. Now, if you just check, your price is traded in middle. So I don't got the any one opportunity for buy or sell anything because this price is moving around the middle band only. Your 88% of the time, your price 205 and 194, your price is moving around these two bands, which don't give the any opportunity to enter and exit. Once your price touch the level of green band, and once your price reach to the red band, then only it give you opportunity. So if I want to put the short sell, I preferably use for these two levels. When my price break 205, my stop loss is 210. I can put the short sell when my price break 205. And if I want to take the long trade, I refer the first support, take the support of two lines, the two levels. 194 is my first support and my stop loss is 190.25. So this is your two levels to entry and exit. Accordingly, then your indicator of EM Trade Pro moderate indicator. So what is the calculation behind this indicator? That's very simple and very sober. So you don't have to do every day this calculation part. This is calculation that's rarely you have to do because software is automatically updated these levels. For your example base, we will take the levels and manually calculated how these four lines are appear. What is the calculation behind these four lines? So now we refer this crude oil. So crude oil 19 Jan, click the Fibonacci ATR levels. Price is moving around that band only. What required things we require to do the manual calculation, manual four levels? I require the yesterday's closing price of crude oil and along with the Fibonacci ATR. So I want the ATR price. So ATR is nothing but your average to range. So I just want to click on the ATR. Add. So this is your ATR price. I request you all kindly open the chart of crude oil 19 Jan expiry and please tell me what is the yesterday's ATR. ATR is your average to range. Yes, Mahesh. Yesterday's ATR price. So we have to just right click on the chart, study manager, click on add and the name of the indicator ATR, add. So my yesterday's ATR is 97.34. Today's ATR is 92.89. So we have to just check the crude oil as example. I have to just remove some levels on my screen. Crude oil. Fourteen Jan 2021. Yesterday's closing price. So my yesterday's closing price is 3,871. $3,871. Now I want to find one ATR plus and one ATR minus. So if I add one ATR plus, so what is my yesterday's ATR? ATR is 97.34, 97.34, and one ATR minus 97.34. So I got the one ATR plus value, and secondly I got the one ATR minus value. So grads, can you please calculate it for me to help? 3871 plus 97.34. So what is my one ATR? Yes, Mahesh, it's 3968. And for downside, if I minus from 3871 minus 97.34. Yes, very good, Mahesh. 3773 is for the downside. Now I want to calculate the 78% of ATR and 22% of the ATR. So maximum the crude oil today can reach 39,000. I want yesterday's closing price, so I put 13th of Jan. Right? So here 3,968 is one ATR plus. What we are doing, we are just at the previous day close plus ATR 97.34. So my price is 3,968. The downside we minus 97.35. So 3,773. Now I want to add the 78% of that 97.37. So 97.34, it's 78%, and minus 97.34 minus 22%. So now we manually calculated that percentage that do not you have to do every day. That's for the backend calculation. 78 divided by 100 multiply by 97.34. So it's a plus 75.92. For a downside, again 22% multiply by 97.34. So it's 21.41. Now I have to add and minus. So first we have to add the second level. So 3,871 plus 75.92 is 3,946. The second layer 3871 minus 21.41 is equal to 3,849.59. So maximum can your price, with the help of this tool, we can easily identify. So here we got the previous close for crude oil is 3,871. My 1 ATR plus is 3,968. So maximum your crude oil can reach to the upper level. That's the first band, second band, third band, fourth band, or the fourth line, which already will appear on the screen, right? So 12% of chances to break the level of 3968. You have 12% of chances to break the downside level of 3,773. 88% of the time your price is traded between the second and third band. So what is the exactly entry point for me and the exit point for me, and what is the stop loss? So entry for me for long buy call, I have whenever my price enter into the band number 3. So this is your band number 3. We have to enter into the trade. My stop loss is band number 4. One more time, if I want to put the short sale, so the entry for short or sale on band number 2, and the stop loss is band number 1. So I request you all take the snapshot of the screen. This calculation you don't have to do every day. but you have to aware what exactly this indicator all about. That's why I do this fast calculation part, because software is automatically give you that 4 levels. Once you all have taken the screenshot of the screen, kindly give me the confirmation. The right side corner camera icon, take the snapshot and give me the confirmation. Alan, Mr. Bhimrao, Mahesh, Tiger. So for we do this calculation part for the crude oil. So basically same way you can do the different calculation for different stocks. The same way you can do the different calculation for the different stock, right? So the same way we can check some more examples. We don't need this line for ATR line on my screen, so I just remove. This is your crude oil. Just click on the Fibonacci ATRs and look at these particular two candles. Yesterday your price just break your moderate level and the aggressive level. So what happened? Your price start declining. And what type of candle pattern is appear? Can you please tell me? It's a buying pressure candle or selling pressure candle? Grace, can you please tell me yesterday's candle is what type of candle pattern? Is buying pressure candle or selling pressure candle? This is your daily time frame chart for crude oil. Your body, wick and the tail. So wick is more compared to body. So I just remove this tool if you want. Now it's a clear chart, clean chart only. So can you please tell me, Alan, Bhimrao, Mahesh and Tiger, what type of candle is all about? It's a buying pressure candle or selling pressure candle? Yes, Tiger. So basically the selling pressure candle, that's a your wick is long compared to your body. Yes. So definitely here if we found the seller pressure candle, we just click on that Fibonacci ATR. We got the four bands. Now the upper two bands are act as your resistance level and the downside two bands act as your support level. So in this theory, we don't want the resistance band arrow. Remove that bands rectangle. Fine. So yesterday your price is just touch that level and your price start declining. The same way that's a very static level. For crude oil now, 3,920 is the level, very crucial level for to sustain. And now it take the support around 3,815. The next support around 3,772. This is for your natural gas, methanol, very rare chart, less traded chart, lead, gold petal. Now if you are trying to check the gold petal, your price is just moving around the support band last couple of minutes. That's a 10-minute time frame chart. Gold M. That's what earlier we discussed. Your price is traded under the support zone. Yes. So now we are consider the gold M If I change the time frame from 60-minute time frame or the 20-minute time frame or 3-minute time frame, my price not change. That's same. 30-minute time frame, 60-minute time frame, 120-minute. That values keep remain same, but we are able to check my price is closing above that band. Then only we can enter into the trade. That's why we wait for the next opportunity. This is your chart for gold. For gold M chart for 5th February contract, the downside two level is act as your support and the above two levels is act as your resistance. I got one more question this is only one indicator is sufficient or otherwise we can use any other indicator. See I preferably use along with the Fibonacci ATR, you can use the moving averages part. On the moving averages you can don't use the multiple moving average, you can use the single moving average, that also fine. So that's 3 days of moving average or 3 candles of moving average. I just mentioned the color, light blue color for up and down. It's a simple 3 days of moving average. Increase the thickness and add. Now I hope you are able to check along with your gold chart, along with your support zone. So Tiger, Alan, Mahesh, can you please tell me this particular 3 days of moving average, if your price able to break above that 3 days of moving average, is this very good time to enter into the trade for long call option for gold M? Yes or no? Because your 3 days of moving average, 3 candles of moving average is 48,928. 48,925. If break, so this is your simple 3 candles of moving average. So yes, Tiger, if price break the moving average upward, so along with your support band, this is your support level for downside 2 levels, that's aggressive buy. So definitely we can take the trade for the long. For gold M, for crude also we check the similar way. What happened under the crude? If you just check these two bands, upper two bands and the downside two band for the support. Since yesterday, once your price are break the aggressive trading for the short side, your price move on to the downside only. This is 120-minute time frame chart. Under 120-minute time frame chart, your price is blue line. Your candle is closed below that line. Your price is traded below that price. 3 candles of average. That's why since yesterday onwards, crude oil have the selling pressure. If you want to reduce the time frame from 60 minutes, reduce. Just check what is the resistance level, resistance power for that second level. 3,920 is the resistance level for your crude oil. Whenever your price enter into that zone, your price start declining. You can check the 15-minute chart. Yesterday, we are talking about the yesterday's. They give you 2 times to attempt that level and your price start declining. And the same momentum, same your price action still carry forward for the today also. Your price is traded below these 3 days of moving average. Suppose crude oil enter into the level of 318, 3,820, 3,820. And if your price close above their 3 days of moving average, 3 candles of moving average, so definitely we can take the long trade under the crude. But as of now, since yesterday onwards, it's completely declined the price. Yesterday, the power of resistance power around 3,920. They give you 2 attempts to enter into that zone and not able to break that zone and your price start declining. In the same manner, you can expect from the support level also. This is the chart of crude oil. Now we'll check the chart of natural gas. Same way we earlier discussed. Now your price is moving around the middle band only. So 88% of the time your price is moving around middle band. So we don't have that use 39 methanol lead.